So basically, this is probably shit and spit. Oh, this sleeve I just washed last night. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna go clean a dirty barn here at a house with Alfredo and Jimmy at. There's Jimmy. Okay, we're gonna go clean this barn because we're all kind of trying to stay separate because we're on the. So this customer, let's see, I forget how we get in here. Okay. So this is oh, is this an alpaca? An alpaca barn. Some birds. I cleaned this, gosh, so many years ago, and I remember all of them are in here freaking out, but I'll show you. These freaking windows are grotesque every time we do them. Oh, look at this shit. Look at this. Mind if I cuss a little bit? So, we're not gonna like go crazy with this, but we're gonna make this look a little bit more presentable than it usually is. But yeah, it's so dirty. So this will be your ultimate guide of how to clean dirty windows. Oh, so dirty. I'm listening to some Green Day. If you guys hear anything in the background, so I'll let you guys just see this whole job. See these windows? They sound pretty good when you razor. Like there's not a lot of noise from them. Like you're removing tons of paint, so that's a good sign. Okay. What do I have in here? I have my mixture of Dawn and Glass Gleam, and that's been really nice lately. But well, shoot, I'll just let some music go here, and I'll just clean this job and chime in when I seem it, when I think it's reasonable. Oh, that's already better, huh? That's about the extent to we're gonna go. It's a barn. You gotta think it's a barn. This is for animals. And this is just because this customer has moved. They tried to sell this home for, geez, ever. Okay, track. I'm not gonna go crazy with it. That's like about it. Trust me, dudes, if you go too crazy on this stuff, wasted time. See, a razor when you have really dirty windows is just the way to go. I'll tell you a story. When I was at Fish window cleaning, don't you guys love how I just tell you so many stories about there? It just probably gets so old. There was a time when a good friend of mine there decided that he was going to start using razors to chip off the ice in the wintertime off windows, and wound up scratching some windows at different jobs all in one day. And so our boss at the time, who still the boss there, is just a horrible boss, just to be honest with you. She took away all of our razors. So I remember doing a construction clean quickly thereafter, where, I mean, the windows were horrible and I couldn't even use a razor. You gotta be able to use a razor. Oh, that's nice. What is that? Oh, it's a very messed up screen. So Jimin, Alfredo are over at that house. They have cut-ups inside, storms outside, but we're just doing the in and out of what you can see. We're not taking apart the storms, which is nice. Look at that. Oh, that will not scratch the window. If you're thinking that right now, it won't. Bronze wool here really does pretty good. And that pad I've used probably on like, oh, I would say 10 homes by now. Oh, that's not, it's okay, but it's not perfect. I mean, look at that window from what it was. I would probably just razor all these windows. I kind of think of these like the same way I think of basement windows. Just razor them all. But I wouldn't be overly picky on this stuff. I'm just gonna say that the whole time. Don't be overly too picky. Don't be overly too picky. I'm not cleaning that out. You have to realize when it looks like this, shit, it's just not even worth it. Poo-poo. That's poo-poo. See, I'm still out here doing dirty work. This is not dirty. This is easy. Last time I did this, it was a blizzard. So this is actually very nice. Sometimes painting really dirty windows is not about overthinking it. It's just doing it and chipping away at it. I used to be a mover for many years. And when you move stuff every day, all day long, 13, 14 hours a day, you get used to looking at the whole project as, you know, this, you just have to chip away, and then all of a sudden you have everything out of the truck and you're good to go. I think of window cleaning kind of in a similar way. You could really overthink. You get to a job, you could scan it 5 times and say, okay, what am I going to do here? What am I going to do there? And in reality, the best thing to do is just get going. Have the same kind of plan for all your jobs so that it's easy to adapt to any job. And that's kind of what we all do together. Is we've all worked together for so long that everybody kind of just knows their things to do. Everybody will all do the same stuff. Yeah, all that good stuff. So look at these windows though, cleaning up just fine. This is the real life of a window cleaner. I like doing videos like this where it's in settings that come on. Oh, this is how you lock that. Okay, yep. Hey Mancha, what you doing? What are you doing? This is Mancha. Mancha, come on. Come here. Make sure my camera's on, Mancha. Camera's on, Mancha. Yeah. Hey, look at those glasses, Mancha. Mancha's our work dog. Aren't you, Mancha? She loves this house. Rabbits, it smells everywhere. Oh, little old-style window. Very careful with this window. This is old window. Sometimes it's good with old windows just to be careful. Just don't put too much force. Newer windows all willy-nilly, but not these. They look better. Guarantee it's not perfect, but it's a hell lot better than it was. Okay, That's it, guys. That's barn clean.